Hello my people, welcome to Glaatory channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your toffee candy using condensed milk. This is so easy to make. It's an easy recipe you can make at the comfort of your home using the things that you already have. Remember, if today is your first time watching me or coming by, please remember to subscribe, like, share. It has a long way to encourage me in what I'm doing. Thank you. I'll be showing you how to make this simple candy. I'll be using all these ingredients. I'll be using the condensed milk, I'm using the oil, but not pouring the oil inside. Just watch as I do it. I'll be using the nutmeg and butter and salt and lastly water. All these ingredients are not going in at the same time, but I'll start with the condensed milk. Please watch so that you can see the process. I'll be using these 2 tins of condensed milk in making this toffee candy. I will be adding the butter, and I'll be adding the nutmeg. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. I'll be adding the salt just to reduce the sweetness or to balance it. I'll be cooking it with low heat because I don't want it to burn. The oil and the water will be used later. Just watch and see the process. I'll be using the low heat and doing the cooking. I'll be whisking it with my whisk throughout the process because I don't want any lump on it, so I'll be using it throughout this whole process. You have to keep stirring on it. You have to continuously until it thickens up. So it takes a little while, but you needed your patience in doing this. So you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring until everything thickens up and form like a dough. As you can see, it's all ready. Okay, now I'm testing it with my water to see if it firms up. As you can see, it's ready. Now I'll be using the oil to just grease the surface where I'll be pouring the toffee mixture. While I need to do this, is just to make it easier for me to apply and mold it towards the shape I want it to be. As you can see, you have to work on it. It's so hot, so when you're doing this you have to be very careful because it's super hot. You have to let it cool for some minutes, and you also need to grease your pan to be able to be doing this. Now I'm gonna slice it according to how I want it. Feel free to make your own mold, and remember, this is hot. You have to apply some caution, but you have to actually do it when it's a little bit hot, because if it gets cold, it won't be easy to cut. It will firm up. As you can see, I'm trying to cut them into a little bit tiny piece so that I'll be able to mold it to the shape I want it to be. But feel free to mold according to what you want. But at this time, it's already formed. It's already candy to eat. You can agree with me, it's so easy to make. This is something you can make on your own with no preservative. One thing about my channel is that I try to do things and to make you understand you can curate your own recipe without using any addictive or preservative or anything that is so artificial. All natural. Even if it's not natural, at least it's something that you can control within you. As you can see, I'm cutting it into the shape I want. It's getting more good and it's becoming hard to cut, so you have to firm up. At this time, you just cut as much as you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and don't forget to like what we're doing, and always share. Please share and leave a comment. All these have a way to show me your support. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.